An account is a representation of the real account you have externally and can be either a liability account like a credit card or loan, a depository account like a checkings or savings account, a destination account, for example, your landlord, or an investment account like a 401k or brokerage account. If you want to add a depository account, click on the button and select your banking institution. Once you connect to your institution, it'll appear on your map. If you want to add a liability account, click on the button and choose a provider. If you're unsure of which provider you choose, simply select one and see if it connects. If it doesn't connect, select the other provider. To add a destination account, you'll need to collect it manually and include the beneficiary name, routing number of the account, and the account number. Once you do it, click Submit. To add an investment account, click on the button and choose the bank you work with. You can always click on the account to access the account information and latest transfers. You can also change the name and underneath enter an account description. By clicking the 3 vertical dots on the right-hand side of the window, you can go into settings, rename, or delete the account. If you click settings, you have 2 toggles you can activate. First being never overdraft account. This will tell Sequence to check the balance of your account before making transfers to prevent overdraft fees. And the second is balance alert, which will send you notification alerts by setting an amount. If you click the toggle, a window will pop up where you can set the balance amount and rule. Please know that if you delete the account, it automatically disconnects from the external account. So let's say you delete your account and then realized it was a mistake and you'd like your account back on your map. Not a problem, you simply have to re-add the account. Okay, so we connected an account. I'm going to edit the name. To do that, click on the account and change the name. I'm going to change it to savings. I'm going to change the emoji to, okay, and that's it. If you want to add another account, you can either select Add an account on the bottom of your screen or right-click your mouse and select Connect a new account. And then you do this process all over again. Now our map has a checkings account and a savings account.